In this video, I'll be showing you how to log out of all devices on Brawl Stars. As you can see, this is the battle interface of your Brawl Star account. And if you want to log out of all devices that your Brawl Star is connected to, you just need to head into this hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, you need to head over the settings. Then click this Supercell ID icon on the bottom part. Now it will show you this interface regarding your Supercell ID account. Now I want you to focus on this gear icon and click it. After clicking it, you will see the logout button. Here, this logout button has a function of logging out your account to all of the devices that your Brawl Stars account is connected to, including your Supercell ID. So just click the logout button. And then as you can see, this has logged out our Brawl Stars account into our device. And that's how you can log out of all device on Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.